Hello, you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Param. So, for today's look, I'm gonna use black and orange. Firstly, I'm placing black eyeshadow over my crease line with the fluffy pencil brush and blending it with circular motion. And I'm now using a orange color so that the black color will mix into that orange, and after that I'm using a light yellow color to soften the edges of that orange color and setting this crease area with this light orange color. The crease line was not defined water activity liner to cover it, and I was still thinking that something was missing, so I just added a little bit of glitter to it, and the look was really beautiful. In the low light, the look was looking very pretty. So, if you like this look, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.